girls, welcome to Going Guitar and to a beautiful song here from BaileyZimmerman. It's called Holding On. Alright, so this one is really perfect for guitar, fits guitar very well. You can hear the guitar there in the background, and yeah, we have these chords we're gonna play with a capo set on the 5th fret. Alright, that is what I believe the best scenario for us to really get the details and the chords we want to and have them as easy as possible in the same time. So anyway, enough of that chit chat. Let's go into this and learn the 5 chords we have to learn. So we're gonna start with the E minor version. Here it will be open E, 2nd A, 4th D, open G, open B, and open E. The next chord is the C major 7/G. Okay, so that will be 3rd on E, 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord will be the G version of it, the G6. That will be 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and open E. And the next chord will be a D version of it. It will be a D add 9 thing going on there, and that will be 5th on A, 4th on D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. And the final chord will be B minor. That is used later in the bridge part. It's a bar chord, so you're gonna place your index finger on the 2nd fret. You cover 5 strings if you count from bottom up like this. Push these 5 strings down to the fretboard, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. There we have all the chords. So let's learn the strumming. If you grab the first chord, the E minor, one string around will be like this. Okay, so it starts with down, down. And then comes up, up, down, down. And then down, up. So everything together will be down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. And a couple of rounds goes like this. So let's go into the verse now. You're gonna play one string round for the following chords: E minor, the C G, the G6, and the D. Okay, so that is one round. You're gonna play for 2 rounds, and then after these 2 rounds, you're gonna play the C G 1 round and the D 1 round. And that is the end of the verse. So E minor, C G, G6, and D. 1 string round per chord for 2 rounds. And then the C G 1 string round and D 1 string round like this. Again. And then the C G. So that is the first verse. Now into the first chorus, you're gonna repeat almost everything here. The E minor, the C G, G6, and D chord. You're gonna play that for 1 chord progression round, and then you're gonna play this C G 1 string round and the D 1 down and the pause. And that is the end of the chorus. So it goes like this. And that's the end of the chorus. And now into the instrumental part that comes right after. You're gonna play exact the same way there, the basics of E minor 1 round, C G 1 round, the G6 1 round, and D 1 round. 1 chord progression round of that, and into the second verse. So the second verse is played exactly in the same way as the first one, so no changes there. The second chorus is a little bit different, not much. The E minor, C, G, G6, and D parts, you're gonna play for 2 rounds now instead of 1. And then you're gonna play the C, G, 1 string round, and the D for 1 string round as well, okay? Not just 1 down in the pause, 1 string round at that point in the second chorus. Why? Because that takes us into the bridge part, okay? So the bridge part now, we're about 2 minutes and 21 seconds into the song. Now you're gonna play the C, G, 1 string round, the D 1 string round, the E minor 1 string round, and the B minor 1 string round. That part of these 4 chords you're gonna play for 2 rounds. So C, G, D, E minor, and B minor for 2 rounds. And after that 2 rounds, we're still in bridge part. We're gonna end with C, G, 1 string round, D 1 string round, E minor 1 string round, and back to the C, G, 3 downs, down, 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 and the pause. That ends the bridge part. So I'm gonna take you through this, and you're gonna start with the C, G, D, E minor, and B minor. Repeat. Now the C, G, D, E minor, and C, G, and the pause. And that pause takes us into the final parts of the song. It's the third chorus. Okay, so that third chorus is play with the E minor, C, G, G6, and D for 2 chord progression rounds. Okay, and then you're gonna play the C, G 1 string round, and the D 1 down, and the pause. Okay, so that is the third chorus, and then we have the outro part left. What you're gonna do here is to continue this verse play, or the main chorus play, E minor, C, G, G6, and D for 1 string round, and then you're gonna add on to play 1 down on the C, G chord, and that marks the end of this song from BaileyZimmerman. It's called Holding On. And yes, I really appreciate all the support, guys. When I do these tutorials, I really put my work into this, and yeah, I hope to get something back from you guys. So like this tutorial, and if you're already subscribed to this channel, please hold on, as a title in the song, hold on to Chord guitar, and let's move forward together. Thank you for support, guys, and until next time, play tuned.